Want to snag that new game on Steam without using your credit card? This video shows you exactly how to use a Steam gift card. First, launch Steam and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, hover over your profile name located at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on View My Wallet. You're now on your Steam wallet page. Find and click the Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code button. It's usually located on the right-hand side. Now carefully scratch off the protective layer on the back of your Steam gift card to reveal the code. Enter the code into the text field. Double-check to ensure it's correct. Once you've entered the code correctly, click the Continue button. Steam will verify the code and add the funds to your Steam wallet. With funds now in your Steam wallet, you can browse the Steam store and purchase any game you want. Select your game and proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment options, your Steam wallet balance will be displayed. Select Steam Wallet as your payment method and complete the purchase. Enjoy your new game.